Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something fascinating: body language and attraction. You've probably heard all the typical advice. If she touches her hair, she's into you. Or if she laughs at your jokes, she likes you. But what if I told you there's a much more subtle, almost hidden way women greet men they're secretly attracted to? And no, it's not what you think. Psychology and behavioral studies reveal that when a woman is genuinely interested in you, like really interested, her greeting changes in ways most guys completely miss. And if you know what to look for, you'll never be left guessing again. So, if you've ever wondered whether she's just being friendly or if there's something more, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tell the difference. The one why greetings matter more than you think. First, let's talk about why greetings are such a big deal. When you meet someone, those first few seconds set the tone for the entire interaction. And here's the thing, most people don't consciously control their greeting style. When they're attracted to someone, their subconscious takes over. A study from the University of Kansas found that people display micro-expressions and subtle shifts in body language within the first 3 seconds of meeting someone they're attracted to. And women in particular have distinct greeting patterns when they're interested. So what are these patterns? Well, forget the obvious signs. We're talking about the hidden, almost instinctual ways women greet men they want to sleep with. And the first one is No 2, the 3 unexpected greeting styles of attracted women. 1. The delayed smile. Most people smile right away when they greet someone. It's polite. But when a woman is attracted to you, something interesting happens. Research shows that a genuine delayed smile where she takes a half-second before smiling is a subconscious signal of real interest. A delayed smile indicates a brief moment of evaluation and emotional response. It's an unconscious reaction to attraction rather than a social courtesy. So next time you greet a woman, watch her smile. If it's instant, she's probably just being friendly. But if there's that tiny pause, oh yeah, she's feeling something, to the lean-in hug. Now let's talk about hugs. Most hugs are casual, right? A quick side hug may be a light pat on the back, but when a woman is into you, her hug changes. She'll lean in closer. Her chest might press against yours just a little longer. And here's the key. Her hands will linger. The duration and pressure of a hug are strong indicators of intimacy. A woman who's attracted will often pull away last, signaling comfort and desire for closeness. So if she hugs you like you're her favorite person in the room, yeah, that's not an accident. 3. The eyes, lips, eyes flash. This one is super subtle, but incredibly telling. When a woman finds you attractive, her eyes will do this quick flicker from your eyes down to your lips and back up. It happens in less than a second, but it's a primal signal of attraction. A study in the Journal of Nonverbal Behavior found that lip glancing during conversation is a strong predictor of romantic interest. So, if you catch her, eyes dropping to your mouth when you first greet her, that's not just curiosity, that's desire. 3. How to respond. Okay, so now you know the signs, but what do you do when you spot them first? Don't overreact if she gives you a delayed smile. Smile back warmly if she leans into the hug. Hold it a second, longer. And if you catch her glancing at your lips, hold eye contact and speak a little slower. It builds tension. The key is to match her energy without going overboard. If she's sending signals she wants you to notice, but she doesn't want it to be obvious. If you see 2 or more of these greeting signs, she's not just interested. She's waiting for you to make a move. So there you have it, the hidden ways women greet men they're attracted to. No games, no guesswork, just pure psychology. If you've ever missed these signals before, don't worry. Now you know exactly what to look for. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below. Have you noticed these signs before? Let's discuss. And if you want more breakdowns like this, let me know. what topic I should cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.